Let's start off by talking a little bit about software defined radio. Software defined radio, I think, is like one of the cutting edge fields of cybersecurity, one that people really aren't paying attention to. And if you think about it, so many things in our society are run by radio signals. And we're seeing, like, for instance, right now in the war in Ukraine, that they're using drones as a way to spy and reconnaissance for sending rockets and missiles and what have you. Of course, those drones are all run by radio signals, and both sides are in there trying to hack and jam the radio signals from these drones. Your Wi-Fi is a radio signal, right? We all know it
Yep.
runs at 2.5 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Your phone is sending off a Bluetooth signal. It's sending off an NFC signal. It's sending, there's so many different radio signals that are controlling our lives.